Boys and girls, can we make this chicken sandwich? Our boys and girls have washed their hands already, and we have now prepped the table to start our chicken sandwich session. Today's session we will learn about how to make a chicken sandwich. Boys and girls, what are the ingredients?
Cheese, lettuce, tomato, cheese, bread, chicken.
Kaisha, what are the ingredients?
Stuffing, bread, chicken, ketchup,
What are the ingredients? Mayonnaise. What are the ingredients? Lettuce.
cheese,
What are the ingredients, Aiden? Tomato. What are the ingredients? Lettuce. Okay, clap yourself. So the ingredients are bread, mayonnaise, tomatoes or tomato ketchup, lettuce, cheese, chicken,
and
bread. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a very important question. Who know how to make a chicken sandwich? All right, let's try with you first. How do you make a chicken sandwich?
Chicken.
How? Can you tell me the steps to make a chicken sandwich? What do you do? What do you think? How do you think we can go about making a chicken sandwich? Think about it, boys and girls. So what do you do?
Bread and cheese, ketchup, mayonnaise, tomato, lettuce,
That's what you think?
bread.
And bread. All right, let's try someone else.
Me. You put the bread first, then the mayonnaise, then you put the cheese, then you put the tomato, then you put the lettuce, then you put the ketchup, then you put the bread.
Awesome. Let's try.
Bread, mayonnaise, and ketchup, and lettuce, and tomato, and chicken, and bread.
Awesome. Let's try someone else. Let's try Ricardo. How do we make a chicken sandwich?
Bread, mayonnaise, ketchup, lettuce, tomato, chicken, bread.
Awesome. Well done. Let's try Kajim. Let's go, Kajim. Tell me, how do you make a chicken sandwich?
Chicken, sandwich, bread,
Okay.
and fries.
Do you put fries on a chicken sandwich?
No.
All right. What else do you put on a chicken sandwich?
Lettuce, cheese,
What else?
bread,
Bread. Okay, awesome. So let's ask Aiden. Aiden, how do we make a chicken sandwich?
bread, and chicken, and tomato, and ketchup.
What else? What else do you put on that delicious chicken sandwich? Sure, mayonnaise. What else?
Cheese,
Cheese is excellent. Bread. Awesome. Well done. Chelsea, what do you put on a chicken sandwich?
Bread,
Yes.
mayonnaise,
All right.
ketchup,
Okay. Right.
cheese,
Okay.
tomatoes,
All right.
lettuce,
Okay.
bread,
Bread.
ketchup.
Ketchup. All right. Okay. So let's ask Israel. Israel, what do you put on a chicken sandwich? What else? Right. What else? Bread. Mayonnaise. Lettuce. Ketchup. Is that all? Bread again. What else? Mayonnaise. Awesome. Let's move on to Shakeda. Shakeda, how do we make a chicken sandwich?
Bread, lettuce, and ketchup, and cheese, and bread.
Awesome. Maurice.
Good job.
Great job. How do we make a chicken sandwich?
Bread. You can chop more snack. Chicken, mayonnaise,
Mayonnaise,
tomato,
tomatoes. Anything
and
else?
cheese.
Cheese. Well done. A job. Clap yourselves. Did I ask everyone? Yes. Awesome. Wonderful. So the ingredients to make a chicken sandwich is. But first, what do we do? What we're gonna do first? We're going to use the bread. Then we put in the sauces on, which is mayonnaise and ketchup, right?
And mayonnaise again.
Then we're putting the
Cheese.
lettuce.
Ketchup.
We're putting tomatoes.
And
We're putting the cheese.
ketchup.
Then we put the chicken. And then who wants extra cheese can put another cheese on top of the chicken. And then we cover it with what?
Bread.
With the bread. And that's how we make a chicken sandwich. But
we can start now.
yes, we can start soon. But listen, we have to first know how to make the chicken sandwich before we can make the chicken sandwich, because we want to do the chicken sandwich in their right steps, correct?
Yeah.
Do you want to put rice on a chicken sandwich?
No.
Do you put a cup in a chicken sandwich?
No.
Do you put a stone in a chicken sandwich?
No.
So that's why you get your
put shoes in it.
not even shoes,
Not even gold.
not even socks. So that is why
No,
it's
so-
very important that you get all of your ingredients together. All right, your ingredients, you put all your ingredients together, and that will make you a beautiful chicken sandwich. So are we ready to start?
Yeah.
I can't hear you. Are we ready to start? girls will be adding ketchup.
Did I want a heart?
A heart.
Yes. Teacher, can I get heart? No, that's a M.
All right. So I was able to draw some heart before now. Okay. You love a heart too?
Yeah.
Some.
Some.
Yeah, heart. Beautiful. Let's do a heart for you. You want flowers? You want the flowers?
Family. They wanna join my family. That's a heart. No, this is circle. This is a heart. This is a.
Awesome. What would you like, Melon? A heart. Okay.
That's what I tell you, shop one.
Awesome. And now what are we adding? We are adding mayonnaise, okay? I cannot shape the heart with the mayonnaise. I'm using a spoon this time, okay? Okay. Is that all you want? You want mayonnaise too?
Yes.
You want mayonnaise?
Yes.
Would you like mayonnaise? If you don't like mayonnaise, please let me know, okay?
Me like mayonnaise. I like mayonnaise that tastes good. Good. Me like mayonnaise. You like mayonnaise? Me like mayonnaise. Oh, you can let it go in the ketchup.
You put it on top of the ketchup, that's correct. Lovely. The reason why you're putting the sauce in the middle is because you want, when all the ingredients go on top, it balance on the sandwich, okay?
What?
Alright. You want some mayonnaise too?
No.
Would you like mayonnaise?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Alright. Would you like mayonnaise, Maurice? This is a very delicious sandwich, boys and girls. What are we making, boys and girls?
Chicken sandwich.
We're making chicken sandwich. Okay. Would you like some mayonnaise? Excellent. So, boys and girls, the next step is to add the vegetables. Alright, so I'll be giving you the forks. Here you go. So you each will get a fork so we can take it out, okay? You're welcome. You are 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 welcome. Alright, so the next step is we will add the tomatoes. Alright, so we're passing around the tomatoes. You'll take the fork and you'll take one and put it on top of the mayonnaise, okay? Alright. You don't like tomatoes? Okay, then. You like tomatoes? Good girl. What about you? No tomatoes? But did you know that tomatoes are very healthy for you? You want it? Right, that's why. Because you want to be healthy and strong, don't you? Right, that's the importance of eating tomatoes. Because you want it to be healthy. If you don't eat it, you can be sick. And you want to be healthy, right? Right, you want to be strong. So you're going to take it and put it on your salad and your sandwich. It is delicious. I love it too.
It tastes nice.
It is delicious.
Yeah.
So you want tomatoes?
No.
Okay, no tomatoes for you. What about you, Jahim? Would you like a tomato? Just put it on top. Good boy. Well done. Alright, let's move over to this table. Alright, you can take one, please. Well done. You are doing so great, boys and girls. After this, I think we all should open a sandwich business, don't you think? So, boys and girls, what is the next step?
Lettuce.
To add the lettuce. Alright, go ahead. Take one leaf of lettuce. You don't like lettuce?
No.
Well, lettuce is so good for you. Lettuce is a vegetable. It is so good for you.
Lettuce is my favorite. I love lettuce.
Alright. Your sandwich is looking so healthy. Why are we talking, boys and girls? Remember, we're making sandwiches. Alright, add the lettuce to your sandwich. Good boy. Well done, Jahim. Add the lettuce to your sandwich, Israel. You can take a small one if you don't want a big one, okay? This is a small one. Take a small one, okay? Good boy. You don't like it? It's so delicious. Alright, let's boys and girls, what is the next ingredients?
Cheese.
What is it?
Cheese.
Please?
And then chicken food.
Chicken foot? Are we adding chicken foot in the sandwich?
No.
No, we're adding chicken. So boys and girls, the next step is to add cheese. But remember, who is allergic to cheese in here?
Chelsea and Haji.
Alright, so I can't give the cheese to Chelsea and Kajim. I'm so sorry, okay? So you, a little bit, not even a little bit. Mommy said I'm not allowed to give you cheese. So I'm not going to break the rules.
But you give me cheese. But you give me macaroni and cornflakes and everything.
Oh, alright. Let's call her. I'm going to give her a call and I will ask her if she can allow you to get this one opportunity, okay? So just bear with me and I give her a call.
Good job.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You are so welcome. I will assist you. Just bear with me. Thank you. You're welcome. You like cheese? Take one. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're so welcome. You get the cheese already? So boys and girls, what is the next ingredients for the chicken sandwich? Chicken. So we have gone ahead and do our chicken burger, right? So we're putting that on top of the lettuce. So go ahead, chop one, take one. Alright, boys and girls, relax. Please allow the others to finish. Good. Take one. Take one, please. Alright, go ahead. done. You're doing great. Well done. You are doing great so far, boys and girls. I'm so proud of you. So who can guess what the next ingredients will be? Alright. Boys and girls, your sandwiches are looking so delicious. Who make a sandwich?
Me.
You make your own sandwich?
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
I love it. Look at those beautiful sandwich. These are so beautiful. I love them. Well done, boys and girls. So we'll be adding our last ingredients. And what is that?
Bread.
Bread.
Now we need cheese at the top. No. Yeah. No. Teacher, can cheese go under the top?
Yes, you can add cheese if you want extra cheese.
I want cheese. I want extra cheese. I want extra cheese. One extra. We want extra. I want one extra. We want no more cheese.
Today we're not going to add extra cheese. We can do it another time, okay? So you all should now be holding a sandwich. Look at it. Are you proud of yourself? Boys and girls, you have achieved your goal. Your goal is to make a chicken sandwich. How do you feel?
Nice.
You feel happy? Ricardo, how do you feel? You're proud of yourself. Well done. Let's look at these beautiful sandwiches though. Let's see. They are so delicious and yummy, boys and girls. You did so well. Are you proud of yourselves?
No.
Oh, who's not proud of themselves? Why? Why are you not proud, Aiden? Why are you not proud? You didn't. Why? What happened? Why are you not proud?
Watch the one cheese.
Why? Talk to me. Why are you not proud? That was just a joke. Alright, we take it as a joke, right? Say, wow, look at this sandwich, boys and girls. Are we ready to bite in our sandwich? Alright, at the count of 3. 1, 2, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and enjoy your sandwiches. Are you enjoying your sandwiches? Do you love it? Tastes real good, right? So it's very healthy to eat your vegetables, boys and girls. Very, very important to eat your vegetables. Do you love your lettuce and your tomatoes? It tastes real good? Awesome. Enjoy!